What are the consequences of promoting inappropriate and sexist content?
Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the consequences of promoting inappropriate and sexist content. In today's digital age, content creation and distribution have become easier than ever. However, with this increased accessibility comes the responsibility to ensure that the content we promote aligns with ethical standards. Promoting inappropriate and sexist content can have significant consequences for individuals and society as a whole.
Social impact.
In this section, let's delve into the social impact of promoting inappropriate and sexist content. When such content is actively promoted, it contributes to the normalization of harmful behaviors and attitudes. It perpetuates stereotypes, objectifies individuals, and fosters an environment that marginalizes certain groups. This can lead to increased discrimination, harassment, and inequality, creating a hostile environment for those affected. Moreover, promoting inappropriate and sexist content can negatively impact the mental and emotional well-being of individuals. Exposure to offensive and degrading content can lead to feelings of self-doubt, low self-esteem, and even mental health issues such as anxiety and depression. The constant bombardment of such content can erode a person's self-worth and negatively shape their perception of themselves and others.
Economic and professional consequences.
Moving on to the economic and professional consequences of promoting inappropriate and sexist content. Companies or individuals associated with such content risk damaging their reputation and brand image. In today's interconnected world, news spreads quickly, and negative publicity can result in a loss of customers, partnerships, and financial opportunities. Promoting inappropriate and sexist content can lead to significant financial setbacks and long-term damage to one's professional standing. Additionally, organizations that endorse or facilitate the promotion of inappropriate and sexist content may face legal consequences. Various jurisdictions have laws and regulations in place to combat hate speech, discrimination, and harassment. Violating these laws can result in legal action, fines, and potential lawsuits. The legal ramifications of promoting such content can be severe and have lasting effects on individuals and organizations involved.
Cultural and societal consequences.
Let's now explore the cultural and societal consequences of promoting inappropriate and sexist content. The media we consume shapes our beliefs, values, and understanding of the world around us. When inappropriate and sexist content is promoted, it contributes to the normalization of harmful attitudes and behaviors, reinforcing existing power imbalances. This perpetuates a culture of sexism, inequality, and exclusion, impeding progress towards a more inclusive and equal society. Furthermore, promoting inappropriate and sexist content undermines efforts towards diversity and inclusivity. It discourages individuals from diverse backgrounds, particularly women, from actively participating and engaging in various fields. This hinders the potential for innovation and deprives society of diverse perspectives. It is essential to create an environment where everyone feels respected and empowered to contribute, regardless of their gender or background. In conclusion, promoting inappropriate and sexist content has wide-ranging consequences that extend beyond mere entertainment or shock value. It has a significant impact on individuals, communities, and society as a whole. From fostering discrimination and inequality to damaging reputations and hindering progress, the consequences are far-reaching. It is our collective responsibility to promote content that uplifts, respects, and celebrates the diversity of humanity, fostering a more inclusive and equitable future for all. Thank you for watching, and let's work together to create positive change.